Welcome to 1532 Heritage Reserve Court in Wake Forest. Let's go take a look. This home in Heritage has 4 bedrooms, plus an office, plus a bonus room, plus a formal dining room. Kitchen is huge. If you like to entertain, you've got a 10-foot island here, gas cooking, open floor plan to the eating, kitchen area, and family room. You also have a wine fridge built into the island. Gas fireplace in the family room. And we're heading out here to my favorite part of the home, which is the screened-in porch that backs to the Heritage Golf Course. The backyard is fully fenced for any furry friends you might have. Primary bedroom and bath on the main floor. His and her custom closets. And large primary suite with new wood floors. As you come upstairs, you will find the oversized bonus room. 3 additional bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 has a private ensuite bathroom with stand-up shower, walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms. Bedroom number 2 with a Jack and Jill bathroom. And bedroom number 3